Not sure how well you can see. This is the evening activity, swimming in the rain. They're saying the water's warm and the rain's cold. Like there's a pyramid, that's Andrew, then Zach, that Micah was on top, but now it's in the water. That's our evening activity for tonight. Hey, Andrew! Andrew, do a chicken fight. All right. Looks like they're gonna try to build another pyramid. I hope you can see him. I know it's kind of dark on the camera. What? Yes. Oh, that's 3 high back there. Andrew's gonna try to join it. Unsuccessful. Well, that's probably enough for tonight.